Hi, today we talk about how to fix Wesley card cannot link to Cash App. There are common reasons why user may have trouble linking their Wesley card to their Cash App account. The first reason is that user may enter incorrect card information such as wrong card number and date of birth. The second reason is that the Wesley card may already be linked to another Cash App account as the application doesn't allow one card to be linked to multiple accounts. The third reason is that the Wesley card may be deactivated or expired due to suspected fraudulent activity, preventing it from being linked to Cash App. The fourth reason is that Cash App only supports one card at a time. So, if a user already has another card linked to their account, Cash App will not link their Wesley card. The fifth reason is outdated version of the Cash App that may cause issues with linking a Wesley card. If the Cash App version is too outdated, it may not run properly and may reject the Wesley card.